So 2 minutes on purge fluids. A lot of you have been asking about this, which is one of the icky things we deal with, if we had to list out all the ickies. So purge fluid is what we see that comes out of the nose and the mouth of a deceased individual, and this can happen very shortly after death. It is not just a decomposition factor. Sometimes fluid can come out of ears and eyes. This is not technically purge. Purge is what comes out of the nose and the mouth. Can come in different colors, different forms. May see yellow purge coming out. White foamy purge is typically from the lungs, and black coffee greeny looking purge is what comes out of the stomach. It can also be this reddish brownish purge that can come out, and it often looks like blood, but it is not. It's from inside the body. As the gas is built up, it creates this pressure, and things that are decomposing and that are getting, more bacteria built up in the digestive tract, all is going to start coming out because that pressure builds and it's got to come out of somewhere. So it may come out of the rectum, but more than likely it's going to come up and out of the nose and the throat. Or the mouth. So what oftentimes embalmers will do is when they're injecting, they will go in and they will cut the trachea and the esophagus. So that way the purge cannot come up and out of the mouth and nose. It would then go back into the cavity, and sometimes they'll plug that with a compound. Or a nasal aspirator, when they're doing the aspiration in the cavity with the large trocar, they will switch out and use a different instrument called a nasal aspirator, which goes down the nose and down the throat to suck out what is in there. So that is a little bit on the term purge.